Hello student. Today's problem is evaluate double integration s f bar dot n cap ds where f bar is equals to 4xi plus 3yj minus 2zk over the closed surface bounded by x is equals to 0, y is equals to 0, z equals to 0 and 2x plus 2y plus z equals to 4. First of all, let us understand what is s is given. Okay. S is closed surface which is bounded by x equals to 0. So what is x is equals to 0 first of all? This is x is equals to 0. Sorry, this is x is equals to 0. This is y equals to 0 and this is z is equals to 0. Z is equals to 0, that means it is xy plane. X is equals to 0, that means it is yz plane. And y is equals to 0, that means it is xz plane. Right? Okay. And 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 plane 2x plus 2y plus z equals to 4, that means this surface, this triangle. Okay. The above the triangle is this. So basically this is 2x plus 2y plus z equals to 4. So basically S has a closed surface and it has the four faces. One face is xy plane, one face is xz plane, another face is yz plane, and another face is a plane which has equation 2x plus 2y plus z equals to 4. Right? So we can write here, we can write here double integration s f dot n cap ds is equals to S1 f dot n cap ds plus double integration S2 f bar dot n cap ds plus double integration S3 f bar dot n cap ds plus double integration S4 f bar dot n cap ds. We mark it as a 1, right? So because S has four-sided, that is why we have to distribute this surface integral into the four parts, right? Now, where S1 is, okay? So, right, where S1 is. So, S1 is basically, what is S1 here? S1 is this triangle, this. What is this? XY plane and triangle OAB, right? Triangle OAB, this XY plane, right? Triangle OAB with what is Z is equals to 0. Now, S2. What is S2 here? S2 is this. S2 is this. Which is this? This is XZ plane, right? XZ plane means Y equals to 0, which is triangle OAC. OAC with Y equals to 0, right? Okay. Now, what is S3 and what is S4? Correct. Now, what is S3 here? S3 is this triangle. Correct. Okay. What is this triangle? This is YZ plane with x is equals to 0. So the triangle OCP, okay, or we can write OBC, triangle OBC with x is equals to 0. Now, and S4 is, what is S4? S4 is this above plane which has a equation, this, the equation of the above plane is 2x plus 2y plus z equals to 4. So a plane with equation 2x plus 2y plus z is equals to 4 as given in the problem, right? Okay. So we have defined all the surfaces S1, S2, S3 and S4. Now we want to calculate the surface integral over S1, S2, S3 and S4. Now how to calculate? Let us see. Now our aim is to calculate integration S1 f bar dot n cap dot ds, right? Okay. Now S1 is triangle OAB with z is equals to 0. That is, S is xy plane. Okay, x is xy plane. So here n cap is unit outward normal vector by default. If the question doesn't mention anything inward or outward, you have to assume by default it is outward, right? N cap is unit outward normal vector, correct? Now S is the xy plane, that means this xy plane, right? So this is your xy plane, correct? So n cap is unit outward normal vector. So we have to take the normal vector in which the direction is outward. That means the outward unit normal vector is basically it is minus k cap, right? Okay. So this implies n cap is equals to minus k cap. Since this xy plane has normal vector is k cap, but we have to take the outward normal vector, so direction in the negative direction, right? Okay, so n cap is equals to minus k cap. So f bar dot n cap is equals to, so what is f bar given in the problem? It is 4xi plus 3yj, 4xi plus 3yj minus 2z, 2zk dot product with minus k cap. Okay, k with k, so it is directly 2z. Okay, so therefore this implies double integration S1 f dot n cap ds is equals to S1. Okay, what is f dot n cap? It is 2z ds, 2z ds, and S1 is this surface, no? S1 is this surface, xy plane, right? That means it is z is equals to 0, no? And so in S1, z is equals to 0 as S1 is xy plane. So this implies double integration S1 f bar dot n cap dot ds, which is equals to double integration S1 0 ds, which is equals to 0. So S1 f bar dot n cap ds equals to 0, right? So what is S1 ka value? It is 0. Now we want to calculate double integration S2 f bar dot n cap dot ds, right? Okay, basically what is S2 is? S2 is triangle OBC with OAC with y is equals to 0. OAC with y equals to 0. S2 is triangle OAC. OAC. That is, it is XZ plane with y is equals to 0. Basically, S2 is this, right? S2 is this. This is our S2, correct? Okay. Now, what is n cap here? N cap is unit outward normal vector. Normal vector to S2, right? So n cap is equals to basically S2 is XZ plane, right? S2 is this XZ plane and unit outward normal vector to the S2. Okay, for the S2, unit outward normal vector is J cap, and because it is the outward direction, so n cap is minus J cap because the perpendicular vector to this triangle OAC is J cap. Okay, because the direction is outward, that is why n cap is equals to minus J cap. So we can write it n cap is minus J cap, right? So as f bar is equals to, what is f bar? It is 4xi plus 3y, 4xi plus 3y j minus 2zk. So f bar dot n cap, which is 4xi plus 3yj minus 2zk dot product with minus j cap. So it is minus 3y only. Okay. So f bar dot n cap is minus 3y. Okay. Minus 3y. So this implies double integration S2 f bar dot n cap, which is equals to double integration S2 minus 3y ds, right? Okay. Now, what is S2 here basically? S2 is this. This is our S2, no? This triangle. This is our S2. And in S2, S2 is, first of all, it is XZ plane. That means y is equals to 0. So we can write it here. We can write it here as S2 is XZ plane. That means we can write y is equals to 0. So this implies S2 f bar dot n cap ds equals to S2 minus 3. What is y ka value is 0 ds, and it is 0. So this implies double integration S2 f bar dot n cap ds is 0. Correct? Okay. Now we need to calculate double integration S3 f bar dot n cap dot ds. Now, what S3 is? Let us see. S3 is triangle OBC with x equals to 0, right? Where S3 is triangle OBC, that is, it is YZ plane, right? YZ plane with x is equals to 0, correct? Okay. Now, as n cap is unit outward normal vector, right? Normal vector. So, because our surface is YZ plane, right? Our surface is YZ plane. Let us mark it as a new color. This is YZ plane, correct? Okay. So, this is our YZ plane and n cap is unit outward normal vector to this YZ plane, and we know that the unit normal vector to the YZ plane is I cap. Okay, because the direction is outward, that means their direction is minus I. So we can write it as it is minus minus I cap, right? So this implies n cap is equals to minus I cap, correct? So as f bar is equals to, what is f bar here? 4x plus 3y minus 2z. 4x I plus 3y minus 2zk. Correct? So f bar dot n cap is equals to 4xi plus 3yj minus 2zk dot product with minus I. So it is only minus 4x. So this is f bar dot n cap. So this implies double integration S3 f bar dot n cap ds, which is equals to S3 minus 4s ds. Correct? As our surface is YZ plane, right? Our surface is YZ plane. This is YZ plane, right? That means x is equals to 0. So we can write, so this implies double integration S3 minus 4 into 0 ds. So is equals to 0. As S3 is YZ plane. So this implies x equals to 0. So this implies double integration S3 f bar dot n cap ds is equals to 0. Correct? Now we are remaining with the surface number 4, which is a plane with the equation 2x plus 2y plus 4. 2x plus 2y plus z equals to 4. Correct? Now we want to calculate double integration S4 f bar dot n cap dot ds is equal ds, right? Where hmm, where S4 is 2x plus 2y plus z equals to 4 is the surface, right? Okay. Now, as we know that the surface is given, then we can calculate the n cap. Okay. Now, when when surface is given, surface is given, then n cap is gradient of s upon modulus of gradient of s. Correct? Okay. Now n cap equals to gradient of, what is surface here? Surface is 2x plus 2y plus z minus 4. 2x plus 2y plus z minus 4. Correct? Upon modulus of gradient of 2x plus 2y plus z minus 4. Correct? So gradient of this, it is 2I plus 2j plus k upon square root of 2 square plus 2 square plus 1 square. So which is 1 by 3 2i plus 2j plus k. Correct? So this implies n cap is equals to 1 by 3 2i plus 2j plus k. So n cap is 1 by 3 2i plus 2j plus k. Correct? So f bar dot n cap is equals to, what is f bar here? Let us check what is f bar. F bar is 4xi plus 3yj plus minus 2zk. Okay? 4xi plus 3yj minus 2zk. Dot product with 1 by 3 2i plus 2j plus k. Correct? So this is equals to 1 by 3, 2 into 4 is 8, 8x plus 6y minus 2z. Correct. So this is our f bar dot n cap. Correct. What is that? 1 by 3 8x plus 6y minus 2z. Now, so we have found f bar dot n cap, n cap. Correct. Now here for ds, we take projection of S4 on xy plane. So ds is equals to dx dy upon n cap dot k cap. Correct. Here we take the projection on S4 on xy plane. It is not necessary that to take the projection on xy plane. You can take any plane, yz plane or xz plane. Right. So ds is equals to dx dy upon, what is n cap? It is 1 by 3 2i plus 2j 2i plus 2j plus k. Dot product with the k cap. So it is dx dy upon 1 by 3. So this implies double integration S4 f bar dot n cap ds is equals to double integration over region R in the xy plane. What is f bar dot n cap? It is, what is f bar dot n cap? 1 by 3 8x plus 6y minus 2z. 1 by 3 8x plus 6y minus 2z plus 6y minus 2z into dx dy upon 1 by 3. So 3 get cancelled. So double integration R 8x plus 6y minus 2z dx dy. As we are working in on xy plane, so we have to remove this z by, as what is S4? S4 का equation is 2x plus 2y plus z equals to 4. So as z is equals to 0, that means we can write it as, sorry, it is not equals to 0. We have to replace this. Z is equals to 4 minus 2x minus 2y. So this implies S4 f bar dot n cap ds is equals to double integration over R, region R, 8x plus 6y minus 2. What is z का replacement? It is 4 minus 2x minus 2y. 4 minus 2x minus 2y dx dy. Correct? So this is region R, 8x plus 6y minus 8 plus 4x minus 4y or plus 4y dx dy. Correct? So double integration over R, 8x plus 4x, it is 12x, 6y plus 4y, it is 10y minus 8 dx dy. For limits of x and y. Okay? As we taken projection on xy plane, so that means as S4 is 2x plus 2y plus z equals to 4, and xy plane means z equals to 0, that means it is 2x plus 2y equals to 4, that means it is x plus y equals to 2. So for the limits of x and y, so this is the intercept 2 comma 0, 2 intercept 0 comma 2, and this is x plus y equals to 2. If we consider the vertical strip here, so y bar is from y equals to 0 to y is equals to 2 minus x. So here y bar is from y is equals to 0 to y equals to 2 minus x, and x bar is from x is equals to 0 to x is equals to 2, because this vertical strip moves from this point 0 0 to 2 0. So x varies from 0 to 2, right? So therefore we got the limit for the x and y, right? S4 f bar dot n cap ds y equals to 0 to 2 minus x, 2 minus x, and x is equals to 0 to 2. What is that? 12x minus 12x plus 10y, 12x plus 10y minus 8 dy dx. As we taken the vertical strip, so dy came first, right? Okay. So it is 0 to 2, 12xy plus 10y square by 2 minus 8y, 2 minus x, 0 dx. So it is 0 to 2, 12x, 2 minus x plus 5, 2 minus x whole square minus 8, 2 minus x dx. So 0 to 2, it is 24 x minus 12x square minus 16 plus 8x plus 5, 4 minus 4x plus x square dx. Correct? So 0 to 2, 24x minus 12x square minus 16 plus 8x plus 20 minus 20x plus 5x square dx. Correct? 0 to 2. Now the 24x plus 8x minus 20x. Okay. 24 minus 20 is 4 and plus 8x more. So it is 12x. So this is done, and this is done. Correct. Now the 20 minus 16, it is 4 plus 4. So this is done. Sorry, this is done and this is done. So minus 12x square plus 5. So it is minus 7x square. Correct. So this is the done and this is the dx. So 0 to 2, 12x square. So this is 6x square plus 4 minus 7 by 3 x cube. Correct. 7 by 3 x cube, 12x square, and this is 4x. Correct. 2 0. So 2 square is 4. So this is 24 plus 8 minus 2 cube is 8. 7 8 is a 56 by 3. Correct. So 24 plus 8 is 32 minus 56 by 3. So 96 minus 56 by 3. So basically it is 40 by 3. So this implies double integration over S4 f bar dot n cap ds is equals to 40 by 3. Correct. So put all this equation in 1. What is the equation number 1? Let us see. What is the equation number 1? So look at this equation number 1 is double integration s f bar dot n cap ds is double integration over s1 plus s2 plus s3 plus s4. Okay, as s1 का value is 0, s2 का value is 0, s3 का value is 0 and s4 का value is 40 by 3. Correct. So this implies double integration over s f bar dot n cap ds is equals to 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 40 by 3. So this implies double integration s f bar dot n cap ds is equals to 40 by 3 is the answer.